Mary, why are there yoga mats on the lobby floor?
Oh, the yoga room is closed. There is a water leak.
So the class is here? In the lobby?
Yes, the instructor called me. She needs the space now.
But we have guests checking in soon.
I know. Can we move the front desk area a little?
We can move the chairs to the side. That gives more space.
Good idea. I will tell the instructor.
How long is the class?
Only 30 minutes. It ends before the guests arrive.
Okay, but we need a sign. Guests must know what is happening.
You are right. I will print a small sign now.
Perfect. Something like wellness activity in progress.
I like that. It sounds professional.
Great. Let's make this work.
Yes, the hotel always finds a solution.